Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $2.8660. Okay, if you look at this trend, there is a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, and chances are very high that there is a higher probability that we can see it can move further upside because overall trend is upside. Okay, and there is a U pattern is forming. After that, there is a higher chances that if the price started moving above a level of $2.971, a further upside we can see in the price of natural gas. Okay, and before that, if you look at this trend from the month of September or August of 2023, we have seen a opposite U pattern is forming. And now if the price started falling below a level of $2.74, we will see a sharp fall, and then from there a further fall we can see. Okay, and this fall can go below a level of $2.3 and can go towards $2. And if you look at this trend, this particular trend, after this overall trend is upside as of now, and there is a higher probability that we can see it can go towards 3.5 also and can cross a level of 3.6 also. What we can see looking at this particular trend, till the time it is not moving below a level of $2.75. Okay, now the price is moving above that particular level. And now overall trend, if you look at a longer wise, because see, this is a short period, but if you look at a longer wise from 3 to 4 years, we can see there is a continuous probability that we can see a further fall. And yes, there is a higher chances that if the price started falling below a level of $2.5, we will see it will cross a level of $2 also and can move further, because there is a clear pattern forming towards downside if the price we see from 3-4 years back. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, see, let's see the price if sustained. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of $2.9350. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, we will see it will cross a level of around $3. Okay, 3.053. And once the price started moving above this level, we will see it will touch a level of around $3.1159. And from there a higher chances will be there, we can see it will touch a level of around 3.2354. Okay, if the price started moving above a level of $3.2354, a probability of going towards 3.35 we can see, and from there a probability of touching a level of 3.574 is there. And once the price started sustaining over this level, we will see it will cross a high of around $3.65, or as soon as it crosses this level, a further upside movement we can see. From there a probability of going towards 3.9, then from there a gap can be filled at a level of 4.1 to a level of 4.35. Okay, and once the price started moving above that level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, now as I have already explained you that market is uncertain. Okay, if you are thinking that market would move as per you, no, it will not. Okay, so you have to understand, always try to set your SL. If you are setting your SL, you will save your capital, and if capital is saved, you can trade much a longer period of time, and you can sustain for longer period of time. But if you are in profit, always try to trail your SL. These two things you have to do. If you are doing these two things, you can sustain for a longer period of time. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, okay, suppose the price didn't sustain, it can move towards its next support of $2.8014. If it started moving below that particular zone, we will see a level of $2.68. Once the price started moving below a level of $2.68, a probability of touching a level of $2.5734 will be there, and from probability of touching a level of 2.36 is there after crossing a level of 2.4. Okay, and then as soon as it started moving below this level, chance of crossing a level of 2.3 will be there, and from there it will cross a level of around 2.2. Okay, once the price started moving below a level of 2.2, a further downfall we can see, and from there it will move below a level of $2.08, and then after that it will touch a level of around $1.98, and from there a probability of touching a level of 1.8. Okay, and once the price started moving below this particular zone, a further fall we can see in the price of natural gas. Okay, and if started going below this particular zone, a further downfall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you need